So once again, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Ma'am Lapad and Sir Noel. I'm Jasmine Reyes from 5CHEC, and I'm here to talk about my Tamashan e-portfolio. So again, just a quick recap. Portfolios are collections of student works representing a selection of performance. An e-portfolio, on the other hand, is a digitalized collection of artifacts including demonstrations, resources, and accomplishments by an individual, group, community, or an institution. So it has four parts, one of which is the knowledge attribute, the other one is the design attributes, next one is the professional attributes, and the last are the master attributes. So I've talked about the first two, about the knowledge and the design attributes during my first video, and now I'm here to talk about my next video, which is about the professional attributes. So the first artifact is about the ability to work effectively in multidisciplinary and multicultural teams in diverse fields of practice. So there I placed a picture of me and the team I worked with during my stay at NBI Interfield during our training. So our on-the-job training was held last April to May last summer, which is on 2014, and I got accepted into companies. The first one is I got an offer in Interfield Inc. They are the makers of Robitussin, Caladril, and other kinds of medicine, but then it's located in Laguna, in Canlubang, Laguna, which is very far, and they work for like 12 hours. So then I got scared on commute session, so I decided to leave after a couple of days. But I left there with grace and honor, and they let me go, and they said that maybe I can still work with them in the near future after I graduate. So it was a, a nice and a good way to say goodbye. We had our very good goodbyes. So the next one is I got hired in NBR, in the National Bureau of Investigation, wherein I worked with the forensics team. There I was able to do research together with my fellow OJT mates, three of my classmates, Hannah, Joanna, and Elmer, and we were able to team up with our other friends from LaSalle and UP to come up with our research that could help the NBI. So there we stayed for a couple of months to finish the time required for our on-the-job training. So the next attribute is about the ability for effective oral and written communications, particularly in the English language. So there, I was able to I thought that the best one I could show off is during our thesis defense. Yay! I'm done with my thesis defense. Our thesis defense is entitled Mathematical Modeling of the Drying Process of Coconut Meat for the Reduction of Aflatoxin B1 and Benzoyl contents in the Philippine coconut oil. So during our thesis defense, of course, it was a very important part of my chemical engineering journey. So I guess all students have to make sure they speak well in English before they do their defense. So there I managed to express myself correctly and properly in the English language. So I showed a picture proof of our defense. So I'll show you one right now. There it was taken by Ma'am Lani Pestaña, our beloved advisor. So the next attribute is about an ability to engage in lifelong learning to keep abreast of the current trends and development in a specific field of specialization. So there, I placed some of the plants I visited this year. So during my fifth year journey, we had a field trip in Leyte, Cebu, and Bohol, and there we visited a lot of companies. So I just showed there some of the companies, like Pasar, a plant expert in smelting copper and transforming it into a more usable and pure form. Um, Corebox, which are the makers of the different corrugating boxes here in the Philippines, like the box they use in Pancit Canton or Coke or the other boxes. They said they're the leading box corporation here in the Philippines. We also visited Schemberg, which are the producers of Cariginen, and a lot more. The next attribute is about ability to use the appropriate techniques, skills, and modern tools necessary for the practice of chemical engineering. So there, I placed some of the computations I made using MathCAD. So it says there, it is very important nowadays that a person knows how to play with technology. It is an advantage to deal with it in the field of chemical engineering. MathCAD is one of the way of showing how you're a technology wise person. So there, I gave there an example of how I use MathCAD. So there you have it. In my next video, I'll be talking about the last but not least, the national attributes. See you. Bye. Thank you, Mom and Sir.